Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss 10 easy steps to good health. Today is World Health Day 2021 and it is being celebrated across the world. The theme of the year, building a fairer, healthier world. Since 1950, every year on 7th April, World Health Day is observed. This year's theme, as I have told you, building a fairer, healthier world. Who is committed, World Health Organization, who is committed to ensuring that everyone, everywhere can realize the right to good health. And it is our responsibility to help such strong and coveted initiative. This short video is released to improve awareness to keep good health, keeping in view the importance of celebrating such days. I shall be happy if it can help even a single person to be motivated to form good habit, to follow the guidelines. For more details, go through my books, links as stated here, and read concerned WHO guidelines. Lot of good videos and write-ups are shared by World Health Organization in this respect. Listen to this video, which is a very short one, this for 6 minutes, but I trust it will help you over 60 years. So just pay attention, keep note of the important points. This is for 10 easy steps to good health. Due to paucity of time, it's difficult to illustrate all the relevant topics, but it's tried at least 3 topics to be covered and then rest to be maybe read conveniently in the book. Learn tools to improve mental strength. Learn why sleep is important and what you should do to have good sleep. How to eat, move, and be healthy. So good nutrition, good food, movement, physical activity, and good sleep are very much required for a healthy body and healthy mind. Strengthen good habits to remain healthy. Health is the greatest gift. Contentment is the greatest wealth. And faithfulness is the best relationship, said by Buddha. Health is the best asset of a person, and all other assets depend on this primary asset for development and proper use. It remains with the person from birth to death, and fitness is the outcome of good health. Every living being needs to be fit physically, psychologically, socially, and spiritually to serve the bigger purpose of life. So out of the 10 topics, the first topic we will discuss as mental health. It is outlined by World Health Organization as a state of well-being in which every individual is able to recognize his or her own potential, can cope with normal stresses of life without taking help of expert doctors or allied healthcare services, can work productively with own initiative, and can contribute to the family and the society at large. This is more than fighting with the disease. So jot down your mental illness conditions daily. Practice suggestions to improve mental wellness. Have small daily improvements. Follow 16 points as stated in the book to improve overall mental health. Note what you cannot do well to make your action plan. Mental health is very important. So don't forget to jot down your mental illness conditions daily, as I have told you. And don't forget to note what you cannot do well now to make your action plan. A good laugh and a long sleep are the best cures in the doctor's book. Iris Prabhat. Second point is health education. So concerned for health education. Learn something new daily to develop knowledge, attitude and skill for behavioral change. Know the health promotional tools. Exercise control over drawbacks by voluntary adaptation of healthy behaviors. Failure is not opposite of success. It is part of success, said in Bhagavad Gita. Third point, some simple tips on food and nutrition. Know the importance of nutrients, each nutrient, and effects of malnutrition. So main nutrients are in two types, as you know, macronutrients and micronutrients. In macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins and fats are there. And in micronutrients, vitamins and minerals and water is also nowadays taken as micronutrient. So know all the vitamins and minerals as well as the importance of taking water, sufficient amount of water, which helps to keep our body healthy, which helps different organs and different organ systems. Ensure intake of all macronutrients and suitable amount, preferably through plant-based foods. Know the foods rich in micronutrients to maintain good health and remain energetic. Foods give lot of nutrition. There may not be a requirement of taking so much of medicine if you take good foods, if you know what foods give what sort of nutrients. So know the foods rich in different types of nutrients. Know the importance of water intake of your body, especially brain. And do not wait to be thirsty to drink water. And the heart is at ease, the body is healthy, said in Chinese proverb. And the heart is at ease, the body is healthy. Since it takes time to discuss all the points, there are 7 topics, and for more such details, request you to conveniently read my books whose links are noted in this video. Such books are free to read in Amazon Kindle Unlimited. So the rest topics to know you must read on physical activity, requirement of physical activity, importance of exercise to keep good health, importance of sleep, what to do to have good sleep, involvement in social activities, how social relationships help in keeping good health, spiritual health, how you can help others, and God will be pleased with you, and you will be very much satisfied and have good health. Know how to strengthen your good habits. What are the good habits? Know what are the bad habits, how you can stay away from the bad habits. So change your mindset accordingly to be healthy, to remain healthy and be productive. Avoid environmental hazards. Know the hazards which are affecting your bad health, which are affecting your health badly. Stay away from the hazards and learn the causes of accidents. Try to prevent accidents. Try to be safe from slip, trip and falls. Otherwise, even if you are healthy, if you fall and get your bones broken, then it will be very difficult for you to remain productive. So prevent accidents. 10 easy steps to good health will always help you to keep you active, healthy, and I am sure this will be beneficial to you. Similarly, my another book, Eat Well, 9 Simple Steps for Healthy Eating. These also can help you to have good nutrition. And most important is join WHO's Global Action Plan for Healthy Lives and Well-being for All. Do whatever you can to support this program. This is a great initiative. Thank you. Wish you a healthy and productive life.